Hello, today I have two drink recipe with summer fruits. Here I use strawberries, but you can definitely substitute it with mangoes, other berries or any other tangy fruits of your choice. So let's get started. First recipe is strawberry lassi, which is an excellent thirst quencher and very delicious too. Here I cut about a cup of strawberries. As I mentioned earlier, you can swap them with any other fruits of your choice. I'll prefer mangoes, which will taste really great. Then I took them to a blender together with a cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons milk powder, sugar as per the taste, pinch of salt and 1/3 cup of cold milk. Then you need to blend them until smooth. Here you go, our delicious and healthy drink is ready. Healthy gut contributes to our strong immune system and overall health of our body. And yogurt has a lot of probiotics in it, which is good for the health of our gut. So include them in your daily diet in all possible way. Let's move to our second recipe, iced tea. They are really a great summer treat for all the tea lovers. To make that, I chopped 2 cups of strawberries here and took them to a saucepan with 2 cups of water. Then take them to a stove top, add the sugar as per your taste and cook them about 20 minutes on low flame. In between, I brewed some tea. And here I took 2 cups of water in a saucepan and added 1.5 teaspoon of tea. Here I used Earl Grey. You can use any tea of your choice. You can decide how strong you want your tea to be and brew them accordingly. Here I brewed little stronger tea, which we prefer. Boil them for about 5 to 8 minutes and strain and keep them aside. It's been about 20 minutes, it's boiling. Our strawberry syrup is ready. So let's strain them and discard the pulp. Then add our tea to the strawberry syrup and mix. Transfer them to a jar and keep them in refrigerated until completely cool down. They taste really great and we truly enjoy them throughout the summer with different flavors. I hope you too gonna give them a try and enjoy them as we do. You can add ice cubes if you like. But here I am adding frozen strawberry so that it won't dilute the tea and we can have more flavorful chilled tea. I hope you like today's recipes. Let me know in comment section which fruits you used to make these two recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, take care.